welcome back to my channel. I'm ET. So today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys two different makeup look using two different color circle lenses. So this is not the first time that I ever purchased from Pinkicon, so this is actually like the fourth time. I'm really impressed with the comfortableness of their circle lenses, and they also have like a really wide selections of different brands like Select Fairy, Fairly, O-Lens, Magic Candies, and all the other ones. But I personally like the O-Lens collection more because it tends to fit your eyeball perfectly. It will not like it won't make your pupil like extend it to the max or like enlarge it, so it's just like a normal pupil size, really comfortable, and it will not irritate your eyes. Also, these circle lenses are really affordable too, so that's why I picked these two this time. I tried out like a lot of color before, but mostly just brown and gray, but this time I chose the blue color and the olive green, so I'm really excited to try it out, and I create two different looks using it. So before we start this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you should, because I'll be doing a lot of fun video in the futures, and also you can subscribe to my social medias to know more about my daily life. And yeah, that's it. Without further ado, let's get into the look. So this is the first look with the blue circle lenses, which you can see is really simple and really neutrals because I want the look to focus on the blue circle lenses. To begin with, I'm using Becca's First Light Priming Filters to help cover up my huge pores. And then moving on, I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundations to help cover up any of my blemishes and even out my skin tones. And oh my gosh, I have to say, this is my favorite foundation right now because it is really great coverage, really lightweight and really long lasting, which is really great for this look. And then moving on, I'm gonna be using the Seam Tip Concealers to cover any of my dark circles underneath my eye or any of the blemishes that's left over I can't cover with the foundation. And to help set everything, I'm using Makeup Forever translucent powders to brush all over my face. Moving on to contour, I'm using Lisa Frank XOXO's matte bronzers because I have a huge face and I have a chubby cheeks because I don't even know why my baby fat is still on my face, but I do not like it, so I use this to contour my face to make it slimmer and also to add some colors to my face. So moving on to eyebrow, I'm just gonna keep it really simple. I'm gonna outline it and enhance the color of it because I tend to have like really light eyebrow because I have so less hair, so I'm just gonna enhance the color to make it stand out more. So moving on, I'm using Too Cool for School bronzer kits to help contour my nose bridge because I do not have a nose bridge personally, and without contouring my face look flat like a paper, so I really need it, and it makes my face stand out more and just look more 3D. Moving on to blush, I'm using this really beautiful coral color from Tarte. Finally, I'm using Luna highlighters to highlight my nose bridge, eyebrows, and cheekbone. Finally, moving on to eyeshadow, I'm using Clinique's Neutral Territory 2 eyeshadow palettes. First color that I'm gonna be using is called the Light Shades of Day into Date Stowe all over my eyelids. Secondly, I'm using the color called Brown Shades of Polar Brew at the end of my eyelids. Finally, I'm gonna use the color Hazies at the edge of my eyelids to create more depth onto my eye. Moving on, I'm gonna be using Kat Von D's black eyeliner to draw a little cat wings on my eye because I want the focus to be on the blue circle lenses, so I'm just gonna be doing a little wink instead of a dramatic one. Also, whenever I'm drawing my eyeliner, there is always one trick that I like to do to make my eye look wider is to draw a dot on my inner corners to open up my eye. So you can see that after I draw a dot on the inner corner, my eye looks a little more elongate and a little more open up. So that's what I like to do for round eyes. Finally, to finish with my eye look, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. Finally, to tie the whole look together, I'm gonna put on this really pretty coral lipstick from NYX, and this is the color Canon. So this is gonna be the first look. I think it looks really natural and simple. Even though I have blue circle lenses on, it didn't look too out of place because it suited with my makeup so much. And yeah, what do you guys think? I think it looked really cute. So moving on to the second look, I'm going to keep my foundation and everything else the same just to remove my eyeshadow because I'm going for a different look with this circle lenses. So for the cheek, I'm gonna be using Ink Velvet Lip Tint as a blush because this has a really beautiful coral color and it looks great as a blush. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I'm gonna be using Makeup Revolution's eyeshadow palette. To use as a base, I'm gonna be using this really cute light pink colors all over my eyelid. Moving on to the outer eyelid, I'm using this really pretty brownish orange color on the edge of my eye. I'm using this brownish red color at the edge of my eyes to create more depth to the look. Moving on, I'm gonna use this flat brush and get the same colors to put it under my eye. Blend everything out and make sure there's no harsh lines. Finally, curl my eyelashes one more time and put on mascara. Moving on to lipstick, I'm using Smashbox Red Lips and just to put it in the center and just dab it out to create a fading effect. So this is how the second look going to look like. I'm really in love with this makeup look right now because I think it's really suited for the fall and it's just really playful and fun. So these are the two different makeup that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys will like it because I have a lot of fun experimenting these two looks and I'm really in love with this. So if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time.